So hi everyone, my name is Jaleese and this is Infinite Modesty Design. Just come on here to kind of share with you what you need in order to take our class, our 5-day. We're actually going to start on Monday. So Monday, what you need to take the class. So for those who joined me yesterday, awesome. And those who actually had messaged me and said that they're one thing or another they couldn't join, that's okay. You need, for the first class, you need to have your face mask pattern. So the pattern is in the group. You could actually join the link in the group here in order to get, or if you usually get email from me, they're in the last email. The pattern is there. It just says click here to download pattern or something, because some of my students didn't know that, so it's there. So this, you want to cut it out and then cut 4 pieces. So 4 pieces of fabric you want to cut out. Okay, so 2 fabric and 2 lining. So for those who will be watching the replay, no worries. So this is what you need to take our online class. So needle and thread is fine to take the class, no worries. Some of the tools you will need, of course, is your tape measurement, your needle and your thread, needle and thread. You need your pin, pin, possibly pin cushions. You could actually put the pin on the cushion, whatnot, as you sew. Let's see what else. You need your scissors, of course. You do need that glorious scissors there for sure. All right, you need marking tools. So you need pen or chalk, one of the two. So you do need that there. And you need possibly a seam ripper. Okay, so you need your seam ripper. Seam ripper is just in case you make mistake, whatnot. Okay. So for the first project, we're doing a face mask, as I mentioned. You want to have 4 pieces of fabric, as I mentioned earlier. So 2 pieces could be lining, so lightweight, and 2 pieces heavy, and that is a heavier fabric. So you kind of go like this. So it's easy to breathe. You don't just want to get 2 heavy pieces of fabric and think I'm all that. No, you want to get at least 2 light pieces. So you see, this is very, very light. You could actually see how thin it is. It's lining, and yeah. So that's the first thing. You want to cut it out. So if you're gonna connect with us on Monday, it's going to be in the group. That'll be the live in the group, and you could definitely connect with us. All right, so some of the other things we'll be making is infinite scarf. The infinite scarf would be last. Then we're making a tote bag. So this is a bag. So similar like that. Similar like this, we'll be making it. And if you guys want, I forgot to mention, if you guys want pockets. So I'm going to actually post some measurement there if you guys want pockets. I want to make sure that it's very, very simple. So there's no headache. But it's very, very simple to put a pocket. So I could definitely put a little pocket there. So you could cut 10" by 10". Yeah, I think 10" by 10". A small little pocket, 10" by 10" fabric. But I'll talk about it more itself, because we're not making that first. We're making actually second. That's going to be our second project. And then the last one we're going to be making, which is an infinity scarf, which it's winter time. Everybody like an infinity scarf, right? So infinity scarf, you can make it in whatever fabric. See, very nice and pretty. You could also make it in Ankara fabric, or African print, or wax, or whatever fabric you want. Some people say they're gonna be making the face mask, the bag, all matching. I like to match, so that's kind of one of my specialty. So yeah, so this is another fabric you could make the mask, and I actually love this pattern. And you could actually really nice it up and pretty there. Okay, so the first thing, I know I kind of go a little bit deeper, but what you want is actually your face mask pattern. Okay, and then you want to cut 4 and make sure you have all your tools, crop fabric, needle and thread. If you're using needle and thread, no worries. Make sure you have at least 6 needles threaded, so at least you could be along with the game for those who using sewing machine. I would do another video once the 5 days is finished, to teach you guys about the sewing machine, go over some of the sewing machine. A lot of people may have issues with sewing machine, or concern or questions about sewing machine, so that would be a next class. And as we connect, I'll find out from you guys what other class you want to see me do live, because I'm kind of in the mood of doing live classes as we move along. And also I have my sewing online school at work. So basically is where you could definitely make all different couture style. I'm going to leave that for our next video to show you some of the styles you would learn to make. It's like you on the runway. Trust me, you would even able to start your own fashion and sewing business, because a lot of people have been contacting me for that, so asking me question for that. So that's one of my drive to start doing teaching more online. So yeah, so come see if you like. It's a free class. It's 100% free. Come see if you like to. You could follow my direction online. You could understand my heavy accent. Yeah, I have a little accent. Yeah, but anyway, thanks again for listening, and hopefully you could join the group. The link is in the description, and the pattern, download, print, and let's get sewing. Thanks guys for your time, and take care. Bye bye.